Okay. All right. Just to let you know, guys, recording has started. So this session is now recorded. So, guys, as per the topic of discussion, we would be discussing, BRD, FRD, and user stories. So, let me go ahead and first share my screen. Just a moment. Okay. All right. I hope my screen is visible, right?
Yes, bhai.
It is right. Okay. All right. So, Seema, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Seema, are you able to see my screen? Seema, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Seema, I would really appreciate if you can just read it out for all of us.
Uh, Prepare a solution document as per below instructions. Candidate to analyze the Zomato mobile application either on Android or iOS. Based on the analysis, candidate to prepare a solution document which would list all the features of the application. The solution document would be in below format, table of contents, objective of the solution application, target audiences, application scope, feature list and flow diagram of the application, any assumptions made while documenting the features of the application. The above to be completed within 2 days on receipt of the task. The above document is to be submitted
Okay. Yeah, that's
in
all right.
PDF
That's all right.
format.
So, what do you think, Seema? What is a solution document? मतलब क्या करना है हमें? What do we need to do on this assignment? Or anybody from anyone who would like to give us their insight? Yes, guys. What have you understood
We have
with this?
to like make BRD.
Anji Sai.
Uh, so kind like detail we need to create or a uh, something a detailed feature blueprint type something.
ठीक है. ठीक है. All right. Anybody else who would like to give us their insight? Sandeep, Shivam, Vasif, Satwik, Richa, Rahul, Piyush, Niharika, Eric, Akash, Anurag, anyone. Yes, guys, you can hear me loud and clear, right? Anybody else who would like to give us their insight?
Sir, can I try?
Yes, Akash.
So, sir, basically, it's a document which prepared by a business analyst, for the solutions, like what kind of project, objective, scopes provide in the document. Okay, so the things we will prepare also like flow diagram, what's the business insights. That's for my understanding.
ठीक है. All right. ठीक है. Yes, guys, as you all have mentioned, has given us their insight. So this is what, assignment is all about. I have to create a solution document. ठीक है. Let's go here. Mm, let's first save it. Zomato. BRD, user story, documentation. Let's save it in downloads. Okay, so this is the assessment and this is the answer to the assessment above. Okay, so let's do a business requirement document for the Zomato as is and to be features with the functionality. Okay, this is what we need to create. Okay. Up, guys, can you tell me what are all the titles? What are all the contents? What are all the syntax that we have discussed in order to create a business requirement document? Yes, guys. Anybody? What are all the titles? What are all the contents, common syntax or index that needs to be a part of business requirement document? Yes, guys. Anybody? Yes, guys, I am waiting.
So, so it's objective of the applications, target audience,
Okay. Yes, yes, go ahead.
and application scope feature list, in which user features, restaurant partner features are included, delivery partners features, admin features, and then process and flow diagrams.
This is what we discussed, right? Ananya, can you see this?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay. So this is of course the title. This is the document revision, which is version control, approvals, okay, objective, background, business driver, take a project scope, which is in scope, out scope, take a system perspective, assumptions, constraints, risk, issues, business process as per the business driver, and then functional and non-functional requirements. So let's go by this. Okay. So title, then comes version, then come approvers, okay, business objective, background, business driver, business process, project scope, as is, sorry, in scope and out scope features or requirements. Then comes system perspective, that is assumptions and constraints. Then comes risk, issues, functional, functional requirement, and non-functional requirements. Okay. As of now, we are following or we are going to follow these particular points that needs to be a part of business requirement document, and more elaboratively, more unit basis, more descriptively, it will be a part of functional requirement document. Okay. So can anyone tell me what would be the title for this assessment? Yes, guys. What would be the title for this?
Zomato mobile applications.
Okay. Zomato, let's say food delivery app. Okay. Web and mobile based. ठीक है, अच्छा वेब तो लिखा ही नहीं है, तो मोबाइल बेस्ड ऐप, और इसको भी एंड्रॉइड पे ही करते हैं, हालांकि दे हैव मेंशन एंड्रॉइड और iOS, और इट कुड बी बोथ, सो लेट्स पुट इट ऑन एंड्रॉइड ओनली. ठीक है, वर्जन इज सिंपल, इट इज लेट्स से Zomato 1.1 कर देते हैं. ठीक है, ऑलराइट गाइस, अप्रूवल्स लेट्स से प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर एंड क्लाइंट, दो ही अप्रूवल रख लेते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ टेल मी गाइस व्हाट वुड बी द बिजनेस ऑब्जेक्टिव. ठीक है, जैसे कि इफ आई गो हियर एंड इफ यू हैव चेक्ड इट हियर, ठीक है, दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ बिजनेस ऑब्जेक्टिव. ठीक है, सो व्हाट शुड बी द बिजनेस ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर दिस Zomato app? Yes guys, can anyone tell me what would be the business objective? Yes guys, let me start with first one. The user would be able to
Sir,
order the food items online with ease of access. Yes guys, anybody else?
sir, like, sir, we need to like describe the Zomato. Okay, so the things like Zomato aim to boost by offering gig-based delivery roles, and like it act a bridge between restaurant and customer through unified digital platform.
Yes. So you can give the business objective from the retailer, restaurant, or client perspective as well. Yes, Akash.
So
Yes.
that's all from my side.
Okay, so you are saying that the restaurant or hotel user would be able to market their food items via application. Okay. What's the other business objective? Yes, guys. We all are using Zomato, I'm sure. So as of now, what do you think the business objective would be? Let's consider that we all are going to develop Zomato. So what would be the business objective that you will, sell it to the client so that client would buy it?
The
Uh,
user
sir,
would be able to track the
customer
food.
satisfaction along with the revenue generation. Like
वो तो देखो सीमा, that would be quite high level. ये तो एक बहुत generic है कि for anything, I mean customer satisfaction is there, revenue generation is there, but how? That is known as business objective, na?
like we will be creating an easy platform so that they can easily access and to all the things they like with the Zomato, whatever they would like to order easily they can do that.
Okay, so you're saying that
ब्लू कलर का है, वो डिब्बा में रखे.
sorry. So Seema, you're saying that easy and less steps in order to order the food item via एप्लीकेशन, राइट? मतलब ज्यादा स्टेप्स नहीं होने चाहिए, कम स्टेप्स होंगे.
Right.
User can add multiple food items at the same time from the same restaurant.
User can add or remove the items from the wish list from multiple vendors, right?
User can pay on like via like UPI and multiple payment options.
Easy and secured online payment modes with safe gateways and integration. ठीक है. What else? हाँ जी वासिफ.
A user would be able to track the food.
Tracking application is available for the customer. ठीक है. Good to go. What else?
Zomato is allowing users to reserve table in their preferred nearby restaurants. So I think that could be also an
ऐसी
objective.
फैसिलिटी है अभी जोमेटो में?
Yes, yes.
ठीक है. ठीक है, मुझे नहीं पता था भाई, मैं वैसे यूज करता
Yes.
नहीं
Kind
हूँ.
of kind of dining
In the dining
facility.
option.
Dining. Yes.
Okay, so advanced dining booking option is available in the app. ठीक है. What else?
A
And
user can cancel the order.
it's allowing restaurants to reach to the wider audience. Like ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा audience को restaurant को reach करने में भी help करता है. So I think it could be also.
Multiple vendorship views are available for the customers. ठीक है. Guys, you're missing our important point.
After
Premium
payment, we get confirmation.
premium or discounts or coupons options are there. ठीक है. 10th
feedback from the customers to the restaurant owners so that they can improve their
reviews and
services.
feedback for the customer support is there. ठीक है. auto discounts or payback facility is also there. ठीक है. I guess I mean we have covered maximum objective that Zomato, via Zomato as a company, software development company, we would be catering and we would be resolving for the client. Anything else that you want to add?
I think
Order
like to mention
cancellation.
cancel order.
Order
Sorry?
cancellation.
Yeah,
Acha,
order
okay.
cancellation and refunds.
Order, this is important. Order cancellation and refunds. ठीक है. Good to go. हाँ जी, anybody else?
So feedback and support.
हाँ, that I've mentioned. Okay. Someone mentioned payment confirmation after the successful payments. Okay. I guess that would cover it all. So now tell me guys, what would be the background? Okay. What would be the background? Background, we all know what is background. Background means these were the pain areas the client was facing the issue. The pain areas. Pain areas or clients major problem. Okay. Or issues. So what do you think the background or pain areas would be? Yes, guys.
Payment
What do you
payment
think?
gateway.
I'm
That would
sorry,
be the
Sahib.
payment gateway. The payment is not getting through their application. Sometimes it might stuck.
Okay. So let's consider that prior to Zomato, in general, there was no online payment or secured online payment gateways were available. So, unavailability of online secured payment gateways. Okay. And let's put it this way that mm, one more thing. Hello. Unavailability of cancellation or refunds after the delivery. And let's put it third point. Customer feedbacks or reviews for future continuous growth. Okay, these were the background or these were the pain areas. Then guys, what do you think the business driver or live actors or users would be for Zomato app? Let me put the first one, customer. Okay. What do you think the second business driver would be or user would be?
Restaurant.
Delivery boys.
So restaurants, hotels,
Delivery
food
boy.
stallers, yes, sir. All these come into one umbrella that is known as vendors, or let's say food vendors. Okay. Someone mentioned delivery boys or delivery people. So let's put them under the umbrella of delivery or logistics. Okay. Who else? Who would be the fourth one? Of course, admin will be there. Then what would be the fifth one? Yes, guys. Who would be the fifth one?
Area sale managers from Zomato.
Sorry, once again,
Area sales managers from Zomato.
area sales manager. So there would be a lot of other employees of Zomato, right?
Right.
So let's put them under the umbrella of
Zomato
Zomato
team.
employee. Okay. Who would be the sixth one? Very important one. Guys, you're forgetting
Payment
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 gateways.
partners.
payment partners, yeah.
Okay. So I guess this would cover all those users who would be using the Zomato app. Okay. Now, what would be the business process? Business process means how the, or you can say standard operating process every business driver wise. Okay, that means how a business driver will use the product, or let's say Zomato application. The business process will be as per the business driver. So let's do one thing. Let's use customer as first one. Okay. So this is the customer. So customer के लिए login and registration. Okay. Then home page or dashboard. Okay. Then product listing and description. Okay. Then add to cart. Then wish list. Sorry. यहाँ पे एक और होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे आएगा search, wish list, payment, logistics, order confirmation. Sorry, order confirmation यहाँ आएगा and delivery confirmation. So this would be the exact process of a customer whilst he or she would be using the business process for Zomato application. Right, guys? Is there anything? Dekho, first he or she would log in and register. Then homepage will come. Then he or she will search the item. Let's say I want to search pizza. Okay. Domino's, Pizza Hut, Chicago Pizza accordingly. So once I go to Domino's, then I would get all the product listing and description. Okay. Pricing, discounts, everything would be there. Then I will add to cart. Then I will see all the items in the wish list item. Okay, wish list. Then I will make the payment. I will get the order confirmation. Then it will be delivered. Then it will be delivery confirmation. So that's the complete cycle. This is known as business process. And you have to write it every user by every user. Okay, let's consider one more user so that you can have a better understanding. Okay, let's put it. Food vendors or retailers or hotel or restaurant. Okay, so what would be the business process of food vendors? So first would be, of course, this one. Okay, they also have to log in, they also have to register, and they also have the homepage or dashboard. Okay, but from here, add or remove items. Okay, because अब जैसे कि I am just a pizza company, let's say Domino's, but now I have launched wraps also. I'm sure you all know what is veg wrap or non-veg wraps. Okay, taco wraps. Okay, so I want to include those items in the product listing. So I will have this feature in food vendors login. Okay, as a food vendor that I can add or remove items. Okay, then of course product listing and description it would be there because edit version. Okay, because I can also change the description of the product. Let's say I've created a pizza and previously it was only capsicum. Now I have recreated and I have included some other items, ingredients. So I would be able to edit it. Okay, then of course final confirmation, and then able to see the final page in the home page. Okay, so that once I have done everything, then I would be able to see the final version. So business process would be different as per the business driver. ठीक है guys, इतना point समझ में आया? Did you get this point?
Yes, bhai.
Yes, no, maybe. ठीक है. Then comes what is the project scope? Project scope means in scope requirements and out of scope requirements. ठीक है. Let's put it in scope requirements first. So at this point of time, I have all these for the customer portal. I have all these options available. Okay, this I can say that I have the in scope requirements. Okay, then comes customer portal. Then comes out scope requirements. Out of scope. Out of scope requirements. Out of scope requirements means reactive or proactive. Okay, which means client asked for the enhancement and we are working on it, or we have informed the client about the enhancement and we will work on it for the same. Okay. Yes, guys. Can you tell me what would be the out of scope requirements that you think at this point of time is not available and you can provide, or let's say you can give me a feature and functionality that would be beneficial for the client. That is known as out of scope requirements. Yes, guys. Anyone who would like to give us an insight? Yes, no, maybe.
Adding a wallet feature, Rohit.
ठीक है, good to go. First, wallet feature. ठीक है. Anybody else?
Subscription option.
Subscription. Subscription for what?
Subscription
Tanmay.
like annual subscription so that you can avail discount.
Or subscription. चलो ठीक है, subscription feature. I was thinking, and this is, trust me, guys, this is what I always during the interview, I always say, because sometimes the interviewer asks me this question, ki, okay, Rohit, you have done a lot of things. So I always say, yeah, in e-commerce, I've done a lot of projects. So they say, ki, what extra, what beyond, or what feature would you suggest that would make your e-commerce or let's say food delivery app, really efficient and effective for the business practice. Okay, so I always say
Chatbot.
live kitchen facility for the customer for the hygiene and authenticity purpose. ठीक है? Yes, someone was saying something.
Chatbot.
Chatbot. ठीक है. All right, we could add that. Anyone else who would like to give us their insight on out of scope features? ठीक है. Then comes what is the system perspective? ठीक है. System perspective means what is the assumption? Assumptions, we can say rule or protocol of the product, that is Zomato. Yes, guys. Now tell me what would be the assumption? क्या होगी? Yes, guys. I'm waiting. What do you think that a rule, an assumption, a protocol that Zomato is following in order to make the cycle successful? चलो customer point of view से, from the customer's portal or customer point of view, why do you think that you are able to order successfully? And why do you think if someone sometimes you're not able to order, or your order is cancelled, or you're not able to order, what would be those factors? Yes, guys.
Customer should be having a proper internet connection in order to order.
वो तो वो कहीं से भी किसी दूसरे इंटरनेट से यूज कर सकता है कि अपने फ्रेंड के इंटरनेट से यूज कर सकता है.
Customer should have a verified login.
तो गेस्ट यूजर भी तो लॉग इन कर सकते हैं. I mean, as
The
a guest,
order
you can
should-
also order, ना?
मतलब उस लोकेशन पे डिलीवरी ऑप्शन होना चाहिए, मतलब उस पिन कोड पे.
Okay, okay. So that is one assumption. That is one rule. While ordering online from the vendor, that vendor provides यार कहाँ एक हो रही है, the delivery facility. ठीक है, otherwise you will not be able to order it. ठीक है.
डिलीवरी पार्टनर शुड बी अवेलेबल.
हाँ हाँ, वही मैंने यहाँ लिखा है. Delivery is available from the vendor side. ठीक है. What would be the second one?
Food availability.
Yes, this is out of scope. I'm sorry, not out of scope. Out of order or out of hotel production time. अब ये थोड़ी ना है कि वो होटल की जो टाइमिंग है that is 11 AM to 9 PM है and you are ordering 10 PM, early morning, late night. So that out of hotel production time or out of order, or you can say out of stock. So that is the assumption. ठीक है, and of course delivery radius like 10 to or fixed 15 kilometers. ठीक है, within 15 kilometers only the food delivery app Zomato would be available as per the registered or guest guest user. ठीक है? And now you tell me कि how the system will know. ठीक है? यही तो from the background or from the database, if you are ordering a Zomato from your mobile or from your web, from the IP address, from the unique number of Android and iOS number, the GPS or the Google map would detect the location, and within 15 kilometers of all the vendors that is available will be applicable, and you will be able to view it. ठीक है? Did you know this feature? ये e-commerce food delivery app में होता है. Getting my point, guys?
Yes,
कहीं पे sometimes it is 15 kilometers, sometimes it is 20 kilometers, or 20 or 30 kilometers. ठीक है? So this is the assumption. ठीक है? One assumption is delivery only after the payment confirmation. ठीक है? Anyone else who would like to give us their insight on out of scope? I'm sorry, assumptions. Yes, guys. Hanji, Tarun, you're saying something?
नो
when रोहित भाई जब ऑर्डर फ्लो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाए तब भी हो सकता है कि ऑर्डर ना प्लेस करता है
नहीं,
like in
order अगर
like
ज्यादा है तो that
दिवाली
would become out of stock ना.
हाँ लेकिन जैसे दिवाली वगैरह में बहुत सारे ऑर्डर आ जाते हैं एक साथ तो डिलीवरी बॉयज भी नहीं मिलते हैं रेस्टोरेंट भी ऑर्डर्स एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं या बट मतलब अम्ब्रेला टर्म में वो उसमें जा सकता है आउट ऑफ स्टॉक में आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर में
हाँ हाँ, उसको तो देखो ना, दिस इज वाई डिलीवरी इज अवेलेबल फ्रॉम द वेंडर साइड. ठीक है? अब वेंडर ही अगर मना कर रहा है कि भाई आई कैन नॉट डिलीवर 1000 burgers or 1000 pizzas today itself, so they'll just say कि no, we will not take more than this order. So that becomes out of stock, or vendor delivery facility is not available.
yeah makes sense
ठीक है? All right. Then comes constraints. ठीक है? Guys, constraints, it means the factors which is beyond control, that as a software development company can't promise or commit. ठीक है? वैसे तो there could be lot of constraints, but overall में you should remember that first is time, second is budget. ठीक है? And you are including that in your constraint, that you are saying that it's a 1-year project, might change as per the enhancement and changes internal and external side. ठीक है? 10 lakhs budget. ठीक है? Might change. ठीक है? Might change as per the external or internal. External means client. ठीक है? Internal means project team. ठीक है? Same goes here. ठीक है? All right. Then comes risk. Future aspect, issues or changes or enhancement that might come as an as a problem or client escalation that you have detected at this point of time. Yes, guys, what do you think the risk would be? Anyone? As per the Zomato app, what do you think that with all the current features and functionality that you have in customer portal, vendor portal, or Zomato as a complete app, what do you think the issue would be? Yes, guys, can you tell me? I'm also thinking.
So, can it be a operational risk? Like sometimes we see that suddenly there was a huge traffic or a weather change, बारिश हो रही है बहुत जोर से, तो उसमें भी डिले हो जाता है डिलीवरी में प्रोडक्ट्स मतलब ऑर्डर कस्टमर तक. So can it be an operational risk much under that?
ठीक है. So let's consider this as a feature that might come, and we are working on it as an autoscope feature. ठीक है, which means delivery time impact as per the uh, as per the natural or human barriers, which is equal to traffic issue, rainfall or storm or same like issues. So what we have found out, solution, immediate update to the customer for the delivery time as per the factors impacting the time committed. यानी कि if my order is getting late, I as a customer would get an immediate update that because of rainfall, because of traffic, because of any sort of aspects of factors, it would be delayed by 10, 20, 30 minutes. ठीक है? Issues would be, it would be according to the client and project team while working on the software development.
रोहित
ठीक
भाई,
है?
रिस्क में फूड क्वालिटी भी आ सकता है क्या?
ठीक है, we could say that मतलब देखो, Saksham and all, risk means the feature or some activity or some action which is not available and which we might need in the future because there is a risk that customer or vendor or any user or live user would escalate. So we have to
Okay.
think risk in such a way. जो आप बोल रहे हो, that is also good. देखो delivery time, तो we have considered कि अभी as of now there is no feature that we can provide the immediate update to the client that the delivery is getting late. So we are working on it कि भाई if that delivery person is not delivering on time, so he or she must have some option in the Zomato app that okay, I picked 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So I selected that and admit or submit. So customer would know that the delivery would be delayed by 10, 20 or 30 minutes. So what you are saying that, yeah, that is also correct. Food quality checks so that the agency would be able to give the uh, certifications to the hotels or restaurants, and that certification is visible to the customer for better अंडरस्टैंडिंग. अब जैसे कि आपको और मुझको आई एम एबल टू सी दैट वो क्या आता है ऑप्शन, वो 5 स्टार का आता है ना, 3 स्टार, 4 स्टार,
ratings.
4.5. रेटिंग्स रेटिंग्स एब्सोल्युटली. सो आपको जिसमें 5 out of 5 मिल रही है, दैट इज ऑल्सो सर्टिफिकेशन. सो दैट
Yes.
सॉर्ट ऑफ फूड क्वालिटी चेक्स नीड्स टू बी अवेलेबल. तो हम इसमें वर्क ऑन कर रहे हैं कि इस तरीके के सर्टिफिकेशन होटल के पास हो, विच वी कैन ask them to get it certified from the government agency, certified agency, so that we can showcase it on our Zomato app. ठीक है. So that is a a risk that we are working on, that of course कल को चल के वेंडर्स एक दूसरे के लिए पीयर प्रेशर या कंपटीशन के लिए या फिर कस्टमर्स वुड वांट कि भाई मैं तो उसी से ऑर्डर करूंगा ना जिसका गुड सर्टिफिकेशन हो, गुड रेटिंग्स हो. तो हमने ये क्लाइंट को अभी बता दिया कि देयर इज अ रिस्क, तो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन इट. ठीक है. Then comes the functional and non-functional requirements. So it will be as per the business driver and their code. ठीक है. जैसे कि हमने we have mentioned it here. ये सारे वो फीचर्स होंगे, बिजनेस प्रोसेस होंगे और वो बटन्स होंगे, दैट वुड बी अवेलेबल. तो इट वुड बी अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. ठीक है. एंड व्हाट वुड बी द नॉन फंक्शनल रिक्वायरमेंट्स? Yes, guys. Can anyone tell me? Non-functional requirements. You know what is non-functional requirements, right, guys?
रोहित भाई एक
Yes,
बार
no, maybe.
दोबारा से समझा दीजिए प्लीज. नॉन फंक्शनल.
ठीक है. Functional requirements are those requirements which we can UI and UX, which we can action and we can get a reaction. ठीक है. That means if MS Word is my feature, or let's say, let's go here. Let's go to Zomato. ठीक है. ठीक है. ये है Zomato app. ठीक है. If I can click here, ठीक है. If I can click here, if I can click detect current location, if let's say wedge hotels for dine, and I am able to get all these buttons. These are all functional requirements. ठीक है. I can click on delivery, I can click on nightlife, I can click on dining out. ठीक है. I can click let's say a flat 10% discount. ठीक है. So I can click here and I can go here. ठीक है. I can check this out. So this is functional requirements. ठीक है. Saksham and all. Did you get this point?
यस यस भाई. काइंड ऑफ कह सकते हैं लाइक यूआई यूएक्स जो भी चीजें हम क्लिक कर सकते हैं,
Absolutely,
देख सकते हैं, वो फंक्शनल में आ गया. Okay.
Whatever that we can action and whatever that we can get a reaction is a functional requirements. A non-functional requirement means what is the performance of my application, how it is working. Okay. What is the security, scalability,
Backend.
encryption, safety, how many number of users would be able to use it without crashing it. So that is a non-functional requirements, which is, let's say मैंने scalability दी है इसको, scalability 10,000 customers with all the business drivers can use it at any given point of time without crashing it. Okay, so this is the scalability that we have given. It could be, raised, it could be lessened. Okay, that depends upon client's requirement. Okay, database के लिए cloud server AWS, ठीक है, और IBM servers, ठीक है, we have chosen, ठीक है, payment, safety and security, Razorpay, ठीक है, for the safe payment gateways, ठीक है. Then comes encryption, reliability. So these are all my non-functional requirements. It could be more, it could be less. Okay, so this is how we need to create that assessment. A lot of people have given me that assessment, and that is also good to go. I've already remarked them, and I'll share it with you guys as well. I've also created one, and I will also share it to you. I would really appreciate that from your side, you also created at least once, not for anyone, just for yourself, so that you have a practice, you have a hands-on practice, practical practice, that you have done it. Because once you have written something, it's very difficult to forget it. And then you would be able to mention it in the during the interview as well. Okay.
Rohit bhai,
All right,
one
guys.
question.
Anji.
Like every time we used to make this BRD document, it would be in the same format as which you have shown, or it would be like it can change as per the time.
It can change as per the company's template to
Okay.
template, but this is the most common and mostly used template that we use it.
Okay.
ठीक है, इसमें जो बढ़ेगा, what the
हाँ.
things that needs to be added,
हाँ.
other business drivers, ठीक है, other business processes, which is as per the business driver. And it would also include wherein I have mentioned, business process. So login and registration. So there would be a screenshot, there would be a wireframe, there would be an interactive diagram or data flow would be available.
Okay, bye.
Okay, rest, it remains the same.
Okay.
Okay. All right, guys. So I'm expecting that you are creating this document. I will share other created documents for the same case study so that you have a better understanding. At least once you create it from your side, have a look on FRD template as well and user story, which we are going to discuss in the next session. Okay.
Okay,
All right, guys. Any question, any doubt, any ambiguity, any issues as of now? Yes, no, maybe.
No, Rohit bhai.
रोहित भाई मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है
Yes, Anurag bhai.
कि जैसे रिस्क्स में हम लोगों ने मेंशन किया कि हम लोग एक कस्टमर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देख रहे हैं, ये नहीं, बिजनेस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देख रहे हैं कि कस्टमर को क्या क्या चैलेंजेस हो सकते हैं, राइट?
Yes, and that customer is the client, and that client is all business driver. ठीक है, यानी कि हमारे लिए जो client है, client wants us to create a software which is which would be applicable or available to all the business drivers. So these are all those client or client business drivers via which we have to think that maybe customer would face this risk, maybe food vendors would face this risk, maybe delivery and logistic people would face this risk, जो हमने दो रिस्क करी हैं,
राइट
दैट इज फ्रॉम
हाँ
द
हाँ
पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ फूड वेंडर्स एंड फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ डिलीवरी।
राइट
पार्टनर्स की भी
अच्छा
कुछ
तो
रिस्क हो सकती है, तो वी हैव टू थिंक फ्रॉम
बिल्कुल
ऑल द पर्सपेक्टिव।
ओके ओके सो मतलब रिस्क का मतलब ये नहीं है कि वी एज अ बिजनेस सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइडर, मतलब मैं जोमेटो के लिए एक ऐप डिजाइन कर रहा हूँ या बीआरडी बना रहा हूँ, तो मेरे को क्या रिस्क लगता है कि आगे चल करके कि मुझे क्या क्या दिक्कत आएगी आपके ये ऐप बनाने में, ये कहना गलत होगा फिर, राइट?
हाँ हाँ, नहीं 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 नहीं,
हम्म
नॉट फ्रॉम आवर पर्सपेक्टिव दैट द रिस्क
राइट
दैट, वो भी एक हो सकती है, लेकिन अब
हम्म
देखो, जब हम व्हेन वी क्रिएट अ बीआरडी, वी क्रिएट
हम्म
एज इज बेसिस। ठीक है, एज इज
राइट
बेसिस मींस कि मिस्टर क्लाइंट और मिस क्लाइंट, एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई हैव दिस जोमैटो अवेलेबल, ये हमारा
राइट
जोमैटो है, दैट्स द होम
हम्म
वन। ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट वी आर ऑफरिंग एज अ प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस। ठीक है, तो वी क्रिएटेड द बीआरडी अकॉर्डिंग टू करंट और एमवीपी, मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट। बट risk over here means कि maybe with these 6 business drivers, you as a client or customer, because customer, who's
हम्म
the customer, who's the client? Zomato. So
राइट
Zomato as a whole product or service, it will face this issue. It might
हम्म
be a possibility that the customers or live users of our Zomato or customers would say that we need a feedback ratings certification option so that we can rate, because we've had a very bad experience with this hotel and I want to report it. ठीक है, maybe
हम्म
your delivery or logistic people would say that we want a feature, or there should be a feature via which we can mention the reason for the late delivery. So these are all the things that you need to consider whilst writing the risk. So then client would know ना
राइट
कि अच्छा ठीक है, हाँ ये बना दो, तो विल से कि $10,000 और लगेंगे, $20,000 और लगेंगे. So that's how the project
राइट
estimation and cost estimation is created.
या
ठीक है.
ठीक है
So
ठीक है
ठीक है. All right, bye. So guys, I am expecting that you are at least creating once from your side. If you want to share it to me, good to go. If you don't, that is also good to go. But this is for your own, good practice. Take care. We would be discussing more about the documentation in the next session as well. All right, guys. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Have a great day and stay safe and be safe. I'll share this recording right away with all the documents as per the answers. Take care.
Thank you, bye.
Take care. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you so much for your time, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.